Hi there. It's great to have you back on my CryptoQ Media channel. All of the top experts in the world agree, XRP is going to blow everyone's minds. According to today's video, the price of XRP is going to skyrocket soon since more and more individuals are studying and analyzing its present and future behaviors. Yes, we will explore that and more, with a focus on expert opinion. The rationale behind this is that I am permitted to freely share any and all information with you at any time. Here I am, telling you exactly how I feel. I think it's only fair that you hear out different people's opinions on XRP, especially from knowledgeable people that understand the ecosystem well and out. Ultimately, other individuals exist. There is a huge difference between the futures of today, tomorrow, and 12 months from now, as well as between the futures of just 6 months from now. Put simply, you need to consider the bigger picture when you listen to what I say. In spite of tomorrow's more pessimistic forecast, I still think XRP will have a good month overall. I always mean exactly what I say. I am stating this because XRP is overbought at the moment, as shown on the daily chart. On the other hand, XRP's pricing history suggests that the cryptocurrency might experience substantial price increases during the next 30 days. You can run with that data, but I wouldn't suggest initiating a long position today because you'll probably lose a lot of money if the price of XRP collapses. But if you're interested in investing 1 month in XRP, that's a great plan because, get this, will be okay in a month. It was my intention to ensure that that was made clear. While we are still showing signs of overbought on the weekly chart, I will mention that XRP may have a buying opportunity on the daily chart very soon. I will refrain from going into detail, though. We still want you to keep an eye out for a couple more terrible days throughout the next 2 weeks. With that out of the way, let's have a look at what the experts have to say. For the simple reason that many interesting things are happening right now. Our first point is that I don't think many people understand this XRP feature. Lots of confusion is being caused by the fact that XRP is presently playing close to the green multi-year barrier, as is visible on this screen. But what most people don't know is that XRP is really positioned opposing the breakthrough at the moment. What this means is that XRP is having trouble, especially with the green line representing downward resistance. Keep that in mind at all times. Why, we will inform you. In the past, XRP has gotten a significant boost whenever its supporters have rallied around this green line and shared the information. By 2025, things will have escalated significantly. Moreover, this chart thoroughly illustrates the topic at hand, doesn't it? Taking a step back will allow you to see the larger picture. We've never been able to beyond this line, but we have now. The golden cross was brought up in an earlier video, wasn't it? So, this basically means that we might be heading back to our past highs, you know, when the price of a coin was 3 or 2 during the previous bull cycles. Yes, we will definitely try those waters again. We ought to be prepared for that, given that. An even more fundamental development that lends credence to the technical considerations I just mentioned is the fact that XRP is now formally included in more than 1,700 contracts. You may be wondering, who are these people with whom we are negotiating these contracts? This is where things get tricky, though. A lot of these contracts have non-disclosure agreements and NDAs that basically render discussing it unlawful. However, we are aware of the exact quantity. We also know their affiliations and the industry they work in, right? The majority of these contracts are with large financial organizations and hedge funds that are actively utilizing the XRP service for various purposes and liquidity needs. In the near future, we will be making further use of the XRP ledger to expand these pilot programs, although the financial sector remains the most important industry in general. One example that the public is aware of is SBI Holdings. However, there is much more going on behind the scenes that has not been revealed just yet. This was earlier the situation due to legal concerns. With this newfound understanding, we can expect to acquire a wealth of further information. All of these contracts are categorized into 4 primary areas. 2 of these agreements permit counterparties to sell XRP to Ripple, while the third states that in exchange for services, Ripple would pay counterparties with XRP. Leaving aside the myriad of additional types of agreements that do not align with the aforementioned. When added together, these deals certainly prove that Ripple is making an effort to incorporate XRP into the international monetary system. As Ripple's, or XRP, spread, the variety of services does as well. But the truth is that XRP will establish itself firmly in the financial sector. This is a really promising sign, then. The fact that we are unable to address them is terrible, but it is the reality. We know the amount of contracts and can see that it's going increasing because it's publicly available. A short pause. In light of recent events, I feel obliged to inform you all about Marjax, the sponsor of today's film. They are currently conducting an excellent XRP campaign. All that's needed is a straightforward deposit on Marjax. Using my connection, you could trade any coin. And this is the item that you'll get. The first fantastic benefit of trading using my link is that you will get free XRP through an airdrop. Second, if you open leveraged positions, you will be eligible for a multitude of futures bonuses. Based on my research, I have concluded that Marjax is the best place to trade futures at the moment, particularly when you make use of my referral link. Enroll right away. Please utilize the link that I gave in the explanation below when you sign up. Come back to the video, please. Here we are discussing data that is available to the public. What the German stock exchange, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, is saying and doing right now in relation to the potential of XRP is something we should discuss. In fact, their theory was that CBDCs might emerge soon and XRP would serve as a base currency for global reserves. Consequently, Germany has one of the biggest economies in the world, and it has been interesting to see the evolution of their conversation around XRP in recent years. All things considered, that strengthens the bullish sentiment surrounding this circumstance. Major financial organizations, including as the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, US corporations, Japanese banks, and South Korean banks, have taken a very different view of XRP, and the amount of transactions in these sectors has skyrocketed. As a whole, I have high hopes for XRP's future, and I think most experts in the field would agree. This short time was really covered by us. The price of XRP might potentially plummet. No worries, we won't let you sweat the small stuff since we have faith in the big picture. I will show you the 1-month chart. Seriously, we're well down here on this graph. Observation of it is considered a bullish sign. As I have shown time and time again, that has always resulted in huge and unexpected shifts in price. This is coming from someone who has seen firsthand how great 2025 is going to be for XRP. Your attention in seeing my web video is greatly appreciated. If you're new to my channel and have just subscribed, I appreciate it. Later on, I shall see you.